Good evening. Those who have joined, keep the video on and please complete the earlier problem. Did you finish preparing the accounts? Completed all the accounts. Okay. How about the journal entries in the books of Bhagwan? This is also completed? Okay. Okay, Aparna. Okay. So this is also completed. So then prepare the accounts based on his account. Is that completed? Okay, please do it. Okay, so continue preparing, complete the problem, please. If any other doubts regarding project, please let me know. If fifth question is completed, you can start with the sixth one. Don't forget to prepare this bank account. Okay, the sixth question. On January 1st, 2015, Arun sold goods for rupees 30,000 to Sunil. 50% of the payment was made immediately by Sunil, on which Arun allowed a cash discount of 2%. For the balance, Sunil drew a promissory note in favor of Arun, payable after 20 days. Since the date of maturity of bill was a public holiday, Arun presented the bill on a day as per the provisions of Negotiable Instruments Act, which was met by Sunil. Now, find out the due date and also journalize the transaction in the books of Arun and Sunil. So, Arun is the drawer. Drawer means he is the seller. Who is that? Arun. So, Sunil becomes the drawee. That is the buyer. Now, who is preparing the document? It is Sunil, the buyer, preparing the document. So that it's called the promissory note. So, the due date, when calculated, it falls on a public holiday. Okay. Then, as it is a public holiday, we take the previous day as the due date. So, 23rd Jan is the due date. Now, how to prepare the journal entries in the books of Arun, the seller. So, first entry related to credit sales. Sunil account debtor to sales. Now, half of the amount he is making the immediate payment for half of the amount. For 15,000, he is making the immediate payment. And for that, 2% discount is given. So, cash account debtor, discount allowed account debtor to Sunil. And then it is for the balance amount that the bill is created. The bill is drawn. Then in Jan 23rd, it is the due date. The drawee makes the payment. So cash is received, cash account debtor to bills receivable account. Completed, Rahul? Okay. Please complete it so that I can change the slide. Okay. Now, in the books of Sunil, Those who have completed question number 6, please start with question number 7. All the cases are coming together. Question number 7. Start with question number 7. Darshan is the drawer, Varun is the drawee. Rupees 40,000 for goods worth rupees 40,000 were sold on credit, and on the due date, correct payment was made by Varun. Various situations are given to you. Please journalize it. When the bill was retained by Darshan till the date of its maturity. When Darshan immediately discounted the bill at 6% with his bank. When the bill was endorsed immediately by Darshan in favor of his creditor, Suresh. Not only that, the last case when it is sent for bank for collection. Be careful about the dates. Don't forget to provide column for dates. For the first case, retaining of bills. Journal entries in the books of Darshan. First journal entry for credit sales. Second one, drawing of bill. And third one, when it is paid. Same way in the books of Varun also. When the next case, the case 2, when Darshan immediately discounted the bill at 6% per annum with the bank. Sorry. Now, in the books of Varun, there won't be any change. It will be same as the earlier case. Varun purchased goods on credit, accepted the bill, and on the due date, he is paying the bill. So in his book, no change will be there. All the cases, it will be the same only. when the bill was endorsed immediately by Darshan in favor of his creditor, Suresh. That is the case 3. So the first entry is credit sales. Then bill is drawn. And the third one, it is endorsed. So endorsee account debtor to bills receivables account. Again, in the books of drawee, it is the same journal entry. So you need not repeat it again. Just complete the drawer's book. Now moving to the last case, that is sending the bill for collection, bill to the bank for collection in the books of Darshan. So first two entries, credit sales and drawing of bills. Then third one is a temporary account is opened and the bill is sent to the bank for collection. Then on the due date, the bank will collect it from the drawing. Clear? So please complete the problem. I'll forward the file in the group, class group. Okay. Complete the notes and come on Monday. Okay. See you all on Monday. Thank you so much.